When we apply heat to food, it's not just about making it hot, it's about unleashing a symphony of chemical reactions. Imagine a perfectly seared steak or a freshly baked loaf of bread. What gives them that appealing brown hue and mouth-watering aroma? It's a process known as the Maillard reaction. This heat-induced reaction transforms simple ingredients into a complex medley of flavors and smells. It's responsible for the delightful aroma and flavor in roasted coffee, bread, and seared steaks. Proteins in food, like those in meat, eggs, and dairy, undergo denaturation when heated. This is a fancy way of saying that their complex structures start to unravel and reform in a different way. This isn't just a microscopic event, it's something we can see and taste. When proteins denature, they bring about significant changes in both the texture and flavor of food. For a classic example, think of how an egg transforms from liquid to solid when you fry it. Carbohydrates, such as sugars, can undergo caramelization when exposed to heat. This fascinating process begins when the heat breaks down the carbohydrates into simple sugars. These sugars then react and recombine to form a wide variety of new compounds. These compounds are what give food its rich, golden brown color, but it's not just about the color. These reactions also release a host of complex, sweet flavors that delight our taste buds. This process produces those rich, golden brown colors and complex, sweet flavors found in caramelized onions, roasted vegetables, and even your favorite desserts. As food cooks, chemical compounds like aldehydes and ketones form, contributing to unique flavors and aromas. These are the unseen heroes of your kitchen, the culinary wizards that turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. They work their magic during cooking, quietly creating a tantalizing array of flavors and aromas. From the nutty taste in roasted nuts to the sweet scent of baked apples, these compounds are behind the scenes, crafting the delicious symphony of tastes we all love. These compounds, along with volatile oils and acids, are the reason why your kitchen smells so inviting. Texture matters too. As we cook, we don't just transform flavors, we also change the very feel of our food. Imagine biting into a juicy steak or a crisp apple. Those experiences are made possible by heat-induced texture transformations. As heat works its magic, it can soften or break down cell walls, transforming a tough piece of meat into a tender delight. On the other hand, it can also create crispy, crunchy textures by removing moisture and creating a network of starches or proteins. So there you have it. The magic of cooking is all about chemical transformations, from browning to denaturation, caramelization, and the birth of flavorful compounds. It's a scientific symphony. The next time you savor a delicious meal, remember that it's not just a feast for your taste buds, but a symphony of science happening on your plate. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science insights from us. Bon appétit!